Hi, my name is Rochelle D'Souza, and I am here to share how God increased my faith by not giving me the miracle I prayed for. For most of my life, I believed that faith meant receiving a miracle, that if I believed enough, God would heal me. But I learned that faith isn't always about the miracle, but sometimes it's about trusting God even when healing looks different. I was born with hemangioma, a non-cancerous overgrowth of blood vessels in my leg. Even a minor friction would cause bleeding, and by college, my condition worsened. I started experiencing swelling and sharp pains in my leg whenever I stood or walked for long. So in 2021, I underwent surgery, and for a while, things seemed to get better. But in 2022, the pain returned, this time worse than before. I could not stand for more than 10 minutes. I limped constantly, and my doctor said there was nothing more that could be done. Another surgery could even leave me unable to walk. So I lived each day just managing the pain. My prayer became very simple. Lord, heal me. Lord, take this pain away. And when healing didn't come, I began to wonder if my faith was strong enough. But everything changed when I began attending the novena for the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary daily. One day, right after receiving the Eucharist, I felt God press something deeply in my heart, not to ask for healing, but to embrace my cross. Luke chapter 9 verse 23 echoed within me. But whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves, take up their cross daily and follow me. That word daily changed everything. I stopped asking for my pain to disappear and instead began praying, Jesus, give me the strength to carry this. My focus shifted from my suffering to Jesus being truly present in the Eucharist. And I stopped going to Mass with a list of my needs and instead began going just to unite myself with Him. And I started noticing that within days my pain started reducing and I began to get back to my daily activities without pain. Healing came when I finally surrendered. This experience taught me that faith isn't always about receiving immediate miracles. Sometimes it's about trusting God even when the cross remains. Jesus did not take my suffering instantly, but He walked with me through it. Today, 3 years later, I walk long distances, I trek, I dance, I've even run 2 marathons, things I was once told I would never do. So if there is something that I want you to take from my story, it is this. Choose faith over fear and know that God is with you even in the daily cross. Thank you.